Hello, today I'll be going over purchase price allocation, and this will be applicable to a merger and acquisition deal. So the first thing that I'm going to get started with is calculating the total allocable purchase premium. So first we need the equity purchase price for the deal. So I'm going to go up and retrieve that. It's here. Just use the simple equals cell formula to link to that cell up there, the amount. And now I need to subtract the seller equity book value. That's only the seller's shareholders equity amount for the last year that just passed, the last fiscal year. So I went and assumed this number here, shareholders equity. Okay, and that needs to be a negative because we're subtracting. Okay, now I need to add the existing goodwill write-off, and we're going to assume that we don't have any here. So we need to sum all of these values to come up with the total allocable purchase premium. And this number should link to the intangible write-up section for the purchase price to allocate. And now I'm going to go back up here to the PP&E write-up. And the PP&E write-up is a percentage of the PP&E from the target's financial statement, the balance sheet. Okay, so I'm assuming a PP&E amount of 500 million, and I'm going to multiply that by the percentage to write up. And next I'm going to go calculate the indefinite lived intangibles. And this is a percentage of the purchase price to allocate. So I'm going to put a simple formula in. I'm going to have the amount times the percentage. And my intangibles write up amount, I had it spelled wrong, so let me fix that. I'm going to do the same thing that I did earlier. I'm going to get the amount and multiply it by the percentage here. And for the new deferred tax liability, I can go ahead and calculate that now since I have my three figures that I need. So I'm going to take the PP&E write-up amount, I'll put it in parentheses, and I'm going to add the indefinite lived intangibles amount. And I'm going to take my intangibles write-up amount. I'm going to multiply it by the tax rate of 35% here. I'm going to decrease some of these decimal places here. Now I can go in and plug in my numbers to calculate the total goodwill created and the less PP&E amount. So that means I need to subtract. I need to get that out here. And I need the less amount of the write-up of intangibles. I need both amounts. So I need a negative amount of that. I need this number plus that number, but I need to be negative. That's why I put a negative sign there. Let me see. Let me put in parentheses to be sure. Decrease some of these decimal places, and I need the deferred tax write down. And the deferred taxes, you would look on the balance sheet again to find the deferred tax liabilities, and sometimes it can be broke out into current and long term. So I'm going to take the current portion and subtract the long-term portion here. Okay, and deferred rent, same concept. Go to the targets, balance sheet, and retrieve that information here. It's 35 here. I'm going to add the new deferred tax liability. That's down here, so I'm just going to hit equal this. Now I'm just going to add up everything. And I can just go down like that since everything that I'm subtracting I already have. A negative sign in front of it. So I'm just gonna have a summation formula to sum all of these. And the new goodwill created is 8,774,000,000. You can round it off to 75. So that's it for this video, the purchase price allocation. The next video I'll be going over combining the balance sheets of two companies that's merging. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching the video.